Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the sound and vibration section. Now we have to scroll down to the ringtones, and as you can see we can change the ringtone for calls, and here we've got two different options for the notifications and the alarms. We've got two different ringtones because they are divided between two different SIM cards, so you can simply differentiate the ringtones between them. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the ringtone for the first SIM card. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available ringtones. At the bottom we've got the option add ringtone, so you can simply pick the sound, for example, which you've downloaded from the internet, and if it will be compatible then you will be able to pick it. Or at the other hand, at the very top of the list we've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it your device will not use the sound to notify about the incoming call. If you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it, and basically that's all. But of course I have to unmute the device. Let me okay, now it works properly. So this is basically what you have to do. So just tap on it and you will listen to the ringtones. And if you will decide that you want to set this particular ringtone, so for example in my case this ethereal space, then just go back. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.